Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi paidbah subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam takasngi. Katanat Sarkar Jila ka Dr. Amperin Emlingdo mentakasngi blai kala pelat paidbah iki Artylli ki kali bantes jingbam na kabenta ka Jila Meghalaya da kabapen lingba ki television. Hajila Meghalaya ka Menteri Katanat Kokot Kekya ka Dr. Mazil Amperin Lingdo ka Jingdan Lang DC jong ka East Khas Hill District badu Dr. Joram Beda badai Commissioner Food Safety jong ka Jila Meghalaya kala kawe lamaban pelat yaki kali haplau jong ka State Central Library. Da ka Jingdan ni kini kali kabala pelat paidbah menta ka sungi ka longban test yaki jingbam ki balashna bad di syaki paidbah. Kani kalong ban penting kena bagi jingbam ki badai syaki paidbah kinlong ki babha bagi babit babiang ban bam ki paidbah.
I request each and everyone as we facilitate our
we will be able to train different individuals on various procedures and inculcating best practices to ensure food safety and hygiene are followed diligently by those who are in the food business. We must also ensure that we train all those involved in the sale of food products, usually in the unorganized sector. We must ensure that vending, catering, retail and distribution, storage and transport, manufacturing, bakery, packaging of water, fish and seafood, meat and poultry, milk and milk products and others go along as per standard procedures. This program also has a third interest, and that is to create awareness on food safety and ensuring that food safety at home, in school, in workplace, in restaurants is safe in general for the people of the state of Meghalaya. Food safety on wheels has specific targets. We will ensure that these food safety on wheel vehicles reach the furthest and most remote corner of the state of Meghalaya to inculcate good food eating habits, safe food eating habits in the state of Meghalaya. I wish this program well, and we await for the inauguration online of this program by the Honorable Prime Minister of this country, Shri Narendra Modi ji.